Custom Keto Diet Program. Everything about the keto weight loss program. Custom Keto Diet discussed. Custom Keto Diet reviews with author details, meal plan, benefits, pros and cons. Features of Custom Keto Diet Plan. One of the custom keto diet primary features of the program is how they provide you with an 8-week meal plan that is organized according to your physique and choices. You get a diet that is tailored accurately for your body's calorie intake and activity levels. Recipes that are easy to cook and healthy. These are delicious and simple and do not require one to be a pro at cooking. A set of guidelines that helps you to customize these recipes into essential meals. Several meals plans with a variety of foods so that you will not get bored eating the same thing. Every recipe comes with clear instructions that make your cooking experience enjoyable and hassle-free. The plan also provides you with a grocery list that makes shopping easy for you. These groceries are all easily available in your local stores. Why should I buy the Custom Keto Diet? The point of following a diet is so that you become fit. With the help of a plan, it becomes easier and more practical to stick to a diet. Custom Keto Diet helps someone who chooses to follow the ketogenic diet. If you are someone finding it hard to practice your diet, then with the help of Custom Keto Diet, you will be able to bring about consistency in your diet. You also have an idea of what nutrients you need to intake and how to chart out your meals and workout routines. The Custom Keto Diet Plan aids your weight loss process into a systematic model that ensures you do not break your diet. What do I do if I am not happy with the program? You can request a refund if you are dissatisfied with the program. It is a hassle-free process and you will receive 100% of what you invested.